Alright guys, so for this I'm going to be showing you how to replace a 1996 to 2000 Honda Civic fuel line. I just grabbed this from the junkyard and I'm going to put this in the car. So basically the problem I'm having is on this side of the line there's a bunch of scratches and it's making me lose a lot of fuel pressure, causing my engine to misfire. So because there are rats living on top of the fuel tank, so basically what I'm about to do here is go ahead and remove this fuel line right here. I'm just twist it back and forth a couple times. Then I'm gonna just pull it off. You gotta push these two clips in and you just pull it off. Wait. It might take you some time, but dang. That's gonna, woo. Yeah, this ain't new or anything, but that junkyard lookout though, you don't gotta wait a long time to get your parts. 9 times out of 10, the part that you need isn't gonna be messed up unless someone else already took it. But yeah, we just trying to take this. Oh my gosh. Dang, bro, this is being a bunch. Maybe I need to push it forward, and then squeeze the two clips in. Then you just pull it out. You see how that comes out just like that. You let go of the clip, then you just pull that out. Now what you're gonna do is, might as well just stick that in right here. Just stick it in right there. And then we're gonna go to the outside of the car. Then you're gonna do the same exact thing. You're gonna come to the driver's side of the car, go under the car past me, and you're gonna do the same exact thing. You see right there? You're gonna have to disconnect that right there. I do not know how I'm going to. My thing looks so eat up. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to you once I get that off, and I'm gonna show you how to install the new one. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to try to fish it in from the other side. Then once you get it in, you just, damn, it's like, this thing is not trying to, once you put it on there, oh gosh. Now it's not trying to do anything. Well, you know, this is a learn as you go process really, but so yeah, then you just clip it on like that. It'll clip right on. You're gonna have to do some tugging and yanking, but then you go to the other side, the underside. Put my phone back on the charger. Just real quick. All right, it should be charging. I'm gonna sit that right there. So then, yeah, for this side, it's basically already touching. So what you're gonna do is, it's already on the metal line, just play with it a lot. And then you just push it right on. You're gonna hear it click though. So yeah, as I said, you're gonna hear it click. heard one side click, but the other side isn't. All right, there we go. I forced the other side to click, so because you should be able to pull on it and then it not be able to come out. So, yep, that's fixed. I don't see no more gas leaking, so I'm pretty sure we fixed the problem.